Channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix forever game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, fizzing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option over here. Now search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run the game as admin. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. And after that, launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check whether it's working. If the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and after that move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check for Windows update. So you should ensure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, then click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads. After that, go below here, you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam, simply confirm it, and after confirming it, now restart your Steam and log into it, and after that launch the game once again and then check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, again click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Simply click on repair and wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and then check if you can play it. But if the issue continues again and again, then it's suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your system restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Forever game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Forever game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, fizzing, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.